before you get into this lesson video, I suggest you to watch the previous videos to have an overview of today's lesson and motivation behind today's lesson. And also read the extra in addition to chapter 20 in the book. We have the process fundamentals, discuss about process flow diagram, all of that in here. And now I go into summarize and apply the reading and the concept of process fundamental in today's lesson. So let's first go to define what is process. So based on the reading, a process is a collection collections of tasks connected by a flow of good or information. Connected by a flow of goods and information. So that it can transform the inputs to a more valuable output. To transform input to more valuable output. And that we call it the value added work. We need to be, the output have to be more valuable. And that's the bottom line for the process. How to demonstrate, visualize the process so that it will be using process flow diagram. So basically the process flow diagram to describe an operating system or a process, to describe an operating system or process. So with that, how to draw the process flow diagram to realize, to visualize a process or an operation, then we have a few symbols that we are going to use, and that one is the tasks, and then we have flows, and then we have storage. So those are the key symbol in process flow diagram. And the first one, what is tasks? So basically that is the addition of some input, the addition of some input, and it realized with the process in for the task in the process flow diagram, it represents as rectangles. And then we have the flow. So what is that? Basically, the flow is the flow of goods or the flow of information. The flow of goods. And for flow of goods, then we can represent with the arrows, and it's solid, or we can say the flow and flow of information, no physical good go through, only information. And then with that, to differentiate, we represent it with the arrow, but it will be in a dash. So the flow of information, a dash line, arrow, and then flow of goods, it will be a solid. And the next symbol that you will see in the process flow diagram, that is storage. What is storage? So basically that is inventory. Or work in process inventory, something like about to complete, not complete yet. So we call it work in process. And that stands for WIP, work in process inventory. So inventory, something raw material, that inventory. Work in process, something about to complete. And then we can have our finished goods inventory. So the products already completed, finished good inventory. And that is the storage. So with that, we go overview what is the process, what is the process flow diagram, what are the symbol, and we will apply that in the next video with problem 1.